I just closed out another 200% gain. Yes, a 200% gain, but this time in less than 24 hours. I went to sleep, woke up, and cashed out. And that's exactly the same opportunity I also provided to the readers, my subscribers, of the New Money Crew. So I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to do that myself, why we got in, and exactly how I was able to guide my subscribers to locking in these incredible gains. So let's take a look here at Vail. Vail was a stock that had saw, again, the importance of following the money. Where's money flowing into? And we got into this trade on the 9th here. So when we look at the chart here, again, when you look at the chart, you have to predict where it's going to go to the right. Well, not quite sure. On the, right here, on the 16th here, we started to get some activity here. So we get a little bit of a pullback, and pattern traders could say this is a bull flag here, and then you got resistance here, and you know we could say a lot of stuff on the chart here, and it's fun. We can strategize and create theory and create probabilities based off of that. But we also could just follow the money. So we're seeing money in this name here coming on a Monday, and this is when subscribers every Monday get a new opportunity to get in on money-making opportunities, such as this one here, Vail. So one of the things that we've been seeing is some rotation into to this sector here, this kind of the gold, metals, rare earth material names. So keeping in theme of what's going on with China and after the post-election and so forth, started to see some money flow into here, and that caught my attention. So if we look here at the trade tab, and what's even more exciting, well, we got to go to the Analyze tab here because we have to look back on the 16th. What was more interesting is that we are seeing money flow into this November contract that expired 11 days from entry. So again, someone's buying calls here. They're buying calls. And yes, when you look at this, 6,900 calls is not that many calls, but there was some other activity in some of the longer dated names and some call buying in this name specifically. But what caught my attention here was some big buyers coming in on big blocks, buying 1,000 at a time, which is interesting. And again, when you buy a call, you only make money if prices go higher. So that is interesting, and you have to start to look into it a little bit more. Are they being bought and being sold? Well, these were being bought. They're bought, and they're coming in, and they're buying a lot of them. So that caught my attention. And when you see money rotate into here, and I've seen some money rotate into some of these other names, and this name specifically, that starts to get my attention. With 11 days, once they put money on the line, they buy these contracts, well, time is ticking away. So they need something to happen quickly. And these are my favorite trades. These are the best trades because as I said it earlier in the video, that we cashed out less than 24 hours. So you got this move here, and when I sent out this alert to readers, they were buying up to 27 cents. So you got filled at 27 cents here. And they closed a little bit higher at 32.35. So when I put this alert out, sent it out with detailed instructions, how to get in, what price to pay, all the details that are necessary, even if you're a novice options trader, you're never going to get left wondering what to do. You know, what we provide, what I provide is exactly what I'm doing, how to do it, and why we're doing it. And why we're doing it is what we're covering here. Money's coming in here, and again, people who buy, especially those 1,000 block, they don't put money out there just to lose it. So you buy calls for one reason because you want it to go higher, and you buy puts for many different reasons. You think it's bearish, you're hedging, and so forth. So that's why we focus a lot more on the call side. Now, if we look at the chart here, from the 16th, where it closed, we get a pop higher, and that pop is about, from its high, about 5.5%. That's a very significant pop in a name that's trading $12, and for one day, that's a good trade. If you had stock, you bought the stock, and you just traded the stock, 5.5% return closing out, that's a relatively decent return for a one-day return. But you get bang with your buck with these options, and exactly what happened here. So we fast forward this one day, and those contracts traded are closed at 61 cents by 73 cents. But if we take a look at the intraday chart here, we'll just put this right here, you could see that these contracts traded all the way up to 90 cents. 90 cents. So they're coming in, my subscribers and I were able to get in at 27 cents, and the high hit at 90 cents. We're closing out at 85 cents, up in that range here. You can see on the, we'll do a 5-minute daily. So we hit up here and we're unloading at this level here. So you had a nice window of being able to get in to profit. And if you're able to top ticket, sure. I mean, you got 90 cents, but we're not going to take that price. We're going to take the 80 to 85 price fill on there. And you can see here, then it starts to fade. It's important, especially on these options, that we get that move and we get out of it. You can see here that we're trading around about that 80 cents, but there's 2 days that passed. You get the move, especially in that short term, which is what we're looking for. We follow the money, we get the pop, and we get out, and we move into the next opportunity. And that's exactly what I provide in the service. We want to make money with options, and we make money by getting in at the right time and also getting out at the right time. And as you see, this is what you receive as a subscriber of the New Money Crew. So the good news is that we have more opportunities coming. And even better news is that we have spots available in the service. But the bad news is that we don't have that many spots that became available. So I'm not exactly sure, but if you see a link below here and you want to get these trades delivered into your inbox, sent to your phone, and detailed instructions that are coming from me and trading alongside myself with that experience and following the money, then sign up today, get started, and start making money together. Let's do it. Me and you making money, follow alongside, and opportunities like this. I mean, there's nothing better than closing out a 200% winner less than 24 hours. And also cashing in on some of the other winners. They're not always going to be 200% winners. They're going to be 30% winners. There's going to be 40% winners. But you're going to get a lot of experience on exactly getting in at the right time and also getting out. So join me today. Join me in the New Money Crew. And I'll see you in the New Money Crew. And if I don't, hey, we have more videos coming. I give you my best ideas for free and follow the money. And I will then see you in the next video.